You haven't got your life jacket on.
Oh.
A little misty out on the water, but it is calm, calm, calm. 10 to 8, just leaving Orillia. Beautiful sunny morning. Everything is calm, calm, calm. A lot of loopers that have been here for a couple of days. And some have just arrived. Some are starting to leave. But loopers galore. Picking up the speed, and then this guy comes along. I think it's the Tough fast boat. Rocky area on Sparrow Lake. Keep it between the markers. And Susie has spotted a huge collection of birds over there.
I think they're swans.
She thinks they're swans. Could be worth a fortune in Florida. Coming into the north end of Sparrow Lake. Coming towards us out of the Narrows. Orillia. McGregor. Next turn approximately 10. I don't know what that. 10 o'clock, I would think. I wonder if that's the
Swing bridge?
swing bridge appears to be holding traffic up. It's 10 after 9. I hope that sign back there didn't mean it was going to open at 10. Got something out for a morning swim. Susie's checking it out.
I think it must be a muskrat, you think?
Not sure if you can see it, but boats are starting to pile up. Even at 0 miles per hour, we're burning around 2 gallons per hour.
This is it, we go.
Guess what? Another train at 10 o'clock. This is not good. Well, we've been here for about an hour, just over an hour. Steadying in the channel here. Coming up on the lock. Going to be a lot of boats for the lock. The blue line appears to be full already. Anyway, see what happens. Getting into a little narrow passage here. Seem to be slowing down for some reason. Are we at the lock?
I don't think so.
Sound horn 3 times. Oh, there must be another swing bridge.
Their horns, right?
Yeah, I imagine that the guy in front. Out of the narrow channels and into Sparrow Lake again, apparently. More boats out on the canal today, heading south and heading north. Making a turn into another channel.
That's what I say. This is one.
Swift cart. We thought we were going to go through the lock, but then learned that the hydro was on the upside and on the opposite side to the blue line, so we made a slip in between a workboat and a looks like an environmentally safe boat behind us, suggesting that it's powered by batteries only. Lots of boats coming in. And a lot of them were from Orillia, where we were. This here big beauty, this $1.5 to $2 million job. And big old bay liner. Getting ready. This is the, I think, the second highest lock. Way down there. That's where we're going tomorrow. Swift Rapids locks. We're staying here for the night. Hotter than hot, and that's okay. Going in to pay.
Relaxing.
They just keep coming. Oh, I was just talking to the beauty. All of these boats were in Orillia last night. Gotta love those front thrusters.
Yep. Come on down. It's so refreshing. Come get your feet in the water.
This boat is a hybrid. battery and diesel powered.
See big chute, but I can't figure out where we are.
We're at Swift Rapids.
I know, but it doesn't show it on that one.
Oh, you have to have the other chart.
Okay.
Anyways, beautiful morning. Back on the blue line over crossover. And getting ready to wait for the first lock. Stay tuned for the next chapter as we head for the big chute. Looking forward to it immensely.